In this guide, I'm going to clear out whether you can add money to Lidl gift card or not. Let's get started. It's important to know that Lidl gift card policies vary by country. In some countries, Lidl gift card can be reloaded with additional funds, while in others, they are single-use prepaid cards and cannot be reloaded after purchase. Be sure to check the terms and conditions for your local Lidl store. If your local Lidl allows gift card reloads, visit a participating Lidl store and bring your gift card with you. At the checkout, let the cashier know that you would like to add money to your existing Lidl gift card. Hand the gift card to the cashier and tell them the amount you would like to add. The cashier will confirm whether your card is eligible for reloading and process a request. Next, pay the reload amount using an accepted payment method such as cash, a debit card, or a credit card. Once the transaction is complete, the additional funds will be loaded onto your gift card. That's it. Whether your Lidl gift card can be reloaded depends on your country, but checking with your local Lidl store is the quickest way to find out and keep your gift card ready for your next shopping trip. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.